Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I present the development of pharmaceutical industry in Germany, let me introduce myself. My name is Hassan Ranisa Abdullah from Class A. German pharmaceutical market. Germany is undoubtedly one of the most prominent life science nations in the world. It is home to Europe's largest pharmaceutical market, a number of industry leaders, a growing biotech scene, and a public healthcare system. Germany has developed into one of the major producers of cutting-edge biopharmaceutical in response to growing demand for personalized medicines around the world. So, what makes Germany one of the best markets for the pharmaceutical industry? The German pharmaceutical industry. Germany stands as the foremost pharmaceutical market within Europe, boasting a total revenue exceeding 56.9 billion euros in 2021, alongside an annual growth rate of 5.1%. The German sector surpasses those in France, Italy, and Great Britain. Germany accounts for 5.9% of the total value of the global pharmaceutical industry, despite the significant impact of the pandemic on Germany, which resulted in a market decrease in GDP. The pharmaceutical sector continued on its path of expansion. Within Germany, there exists a network of over 510 pharmaceutical firms, coupled with more than 670 biotech enterprises. At the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, the industry pro- produced drugs and pharmaceutical equipment valued at 31 billion euros. By the first quarter of 2021, German pharmaceutical sector had imported over 58 billion euros worth of product and export in excess of 82.8 billion euros. The majority of supplier and client origi- originate from the Netherlands, Switzerland, and the United States. Appros- uh, Approximately 7% of the intermediate materials for German pharmaceutical sector come from China. The counter OTC and in-store only ISO medicines in German pharmaceutical market. Drugs sold over the counter OTC and in-store only ISO are both examples of non-prescription medication. The health product section includes product categories that can be sold by pharmacies and is the mass market but are not regulated by pharmaceutical laws, such as food, supplements, Simply Gratia drugstore, and supermarket. Germans have a high level of faith in traditional brick and mortar pharmacies, which serve as the primary distribution route for OTC medication. In 2021, the revenue of pharmacies was 2.8 billion euros, while the general sale of medicines account for 187 million euros of revenue. Prescription drugs garnered the large part amounting to some 34.8 billion euros. Some of the most common medicines to be bought over the counter are aspirin, ibuprofen, dorithricin, acetaminophen, and folate gel. Next, Europe, second large biopharmaceutical industry producer. The landscape of the pharmaceutical industry has undergone significant change as a result of the creation of biological medication. In the Europe pharmaceutical market, Germany is ranked the largest producer of EU-approved active biopharmaceutical substances, with more than half of the active biopharmaceutical ingredients being produced in the south of Germany. This is mostly found in Ulm and Lake Constance. The small region has more than 100 biotechnological, pharmaceutical, and medical technology companies and research companies. Research by Eurodev.com blog Germany as a biggest pharmaceutical market in Europe. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.